Now the third question is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference of these questions. This is the third question of the exercise 5.1. The terms of the first part of the question is 3, 1, -1, -3. So these are the terms 3, 1, -1, -3. In this case, A, first term A is 3, that is 3. Then second term, this A2 is equal to 1. So common difference, you know that A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to -2. So this is the answer of the first part of the question. Common difference is -2. Now the second part of the question, that is having the terms -5, -1, 3, 7, so on. Here A, that is -5, and A2, this is A1, this is A2, A2 is -1. So common difference D, that is A2 minus A1, that is -1 -5, that comes out to be minus plus -1 plus 4, that comes out to be 5, that comes out to be 4. So this is the answer in this case of common difference is 4. Now the third part. Now the third part of the question, that is having series 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, and 13 by 3. Here the first term A1, that is 1 by 3. Then A2, that is 5 by 3. So common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That comes out to be 3, least common multiple 5 minus 1. That comes out to be 4 by 3. So this is the common difference of the question, that is 4 by 3. Now the fourth part of the third question is, that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. So here the first term A1, that is 0.6. Then A2 second term, that is 1.7. So the common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 1.7, A2 minus 0.6 A1, so it comes out to be 1.1. So 1.1 is the common difference of the this question. So with this, end of the third question. Now the fourth question, in which the arithmetic progression series are given. We have to find if they form an AP, find the common difference, and write 3 more terms of this series. So this is the fourth question of the exercise 5.1. The first part is of this question is 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. Here A1, that is 2. Then A2, that is 4. Then A3, that is 8. And then A4, that is 16. So these are the first 4 terms of the series. Now A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, A1, that is 2. Then A3 minus A2, A3 given 8, A2 given minus 4, that comes out to be 4. Then A4 minus A3, A4 is given 16, A3 is given 8, so 16 minus 8 comes out to be 8. So here in this case A2 3 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, and A4 minus A3 is not equal to A3 minus A2 or A2 minus A1. So this is not an AP. So it is not arithmetic progression series. So this is the first part of the question. Now the second question of the fourth question of exercise 5.1. The series terms are 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So here we have A1 2, A2 is equal to 5 by 2, A3 is equal to 3, and A4 is equal to 7 by 2. From this we will now calculate A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 by 2, A1 is 2. So it comes out to 5 minus 2 2 या 4 divided by 2. It comes out to 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Then A3 minus A2. A3 given 3 and A2 is given 5 by 2. So 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 by 2, it comes out to be 1 by 2. Now A4 minus A3, that is A4 we have given 7 by 2 and A3 we have given 3. So 7 minus 2 3 ja 6 divided by 2, it comes out to be also 1 by 2. Here the common difference comes out to be the same. So it is an AP form. Now we have to find the next 3 terms of this series. So to find next 3 terms we have to find A5. We use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 t. So A5 comes out to be a plus 5 minus 1 d, or we can say a plus 4d. By inserting value a plus 4d, a term is given 2, this plus 4 common difference we have already calculated half, multiplied by half. So it comes out to be 4 is cancelled with 2, it remains 2. So 2 plus 2, it comes out to be 4. So this is the fifth term. Now A6 comes out to be a plus 6 minus 1 d, or we can say that a plus 5 d. So a is 2 plus 5 multiplied by half, that comes out to be 2 plus 5 by 2. It comes out to 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 5 9 by 2. Then A7 also comes out to be a plus 6d. Inserting the value a 2 plus 6 multiplied by half, 2 is 6 is cancelled with 2, 2 3 ja 6. So it comes out to 2 plus 3. So it comes out to be 5. So these are the next 3 terms. So next 3 terms of the series are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. Now the third part of the question, fourth of exercise 5.1 is, that is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. So here A1 comes out to be minus 1.2, A2 minus 3.2, A3 minus 5.2 and A4 minus 7.2. So here A2 minus A1, by inserting the values minus 3.2 minus 1.2, it comes out to be minus 3.2, minus becomes a plus 1.2, it comes out to be minus 2. Now A3 minus A2, that is A3 minus 5.2 minus A2, that is minus 3.2, minus becomes plus minus 5.2 plus 3.2, it also comes out to be minus 2. Now A4 minus A3, A4 is minus 7.2 minus A3 is 5.2 minus 7.2 plus 5.2, it also comes out to be minus 2. So the series is in AP form. So now we will calculate the next four terms. To calculate next four terms, we have the formula A5 is equal to A plus 4D. By inserting the value A, we have given minus 1.2 plus 4 multiplied by common difference minus 2, which we have calculated above. So it will comes out to be minus 1.2 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 minus 8. So it comes out to be minus 9.2. Then A6. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A is minus 1.2 and 5 multiplied by D is minus 2. So it comes out to be minus 1.2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10. It comes out to be minus 11.2. And the A7 is A plus 6D, that comes out to be minus 1.2 plus 6 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 1.2 plus minus 12, that comes out to be minus 13.2. So the next three terms of AP are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. This is the answer of the third part of the fourth question. Now the fourth part of the fourth question of exercise 5.1 is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Here A1 is equal to minus 10, A2 is equal to minus 6, A3 is equal to minus 2, A4 is equal to 2. So now A2 minus A1 minus 6 minus 10 A1, that is comes out to be minus 6 plus 10, that comes out to be 4. Then A3 minus A2, that is minus 2 minus 6, that comes out to be minus 2 plus 6, that also comes out to be 4. Then A4 minus A3, that is 2 minus 2, that comes out to 2 plus 2, that comes out to be 4. So this series in AP. So now we will calculate the next three terms of this arithmetic progression A5, that is A plus 4D. We know that A is equal to first term minus 10 plus 4 multiplied by common difference we have calculated above 4, that comes out to be minus 10 plus 16, that comes out to be 6. Then A6, A plus 5D, that is minus 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4, that is minus 10 plus 20, that comes out to be 10. Now A7, A plus 6d, that is minus 10 plus 6 multiplied by 4, that comes out to be minus 10 plus 24, that comes out to be 14. So the next three terms of AP are 6, 10, 14. This is the answer of the fourth part of the question. Now fifth part of the question is 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2, then 3 plus 3 under root 2, and so on. So here A1 comes out to be 3, A2 comes out to be 3 plus 2 under root, A3 that is 3 plus 2 under root 2, then A4 that is 3 plus 3 under root 2. So now we will calculate A2 minus A1, that is 3 plus under root 2 minus 3. It comes out to be under root 2. Now A3 minus A2, A3 we have given 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 3 plus under root 2. So it will comes out to be under root 2. Similarly A4 minus A3, that is 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus 3 plus 2 under root 2. It comes out to be also under root 2, because since this series in AP, so we will calculate the next three terms of this AP. A5 comes out to be A plus 4d. We know that A is 3 plus 4 multiplied by under root 2. It comes out to be 3 plus 4 under root 2. Then A6, A plus 5d. D is the common term, A is the first term, 3 plus 5 multiplied by under root 2. It comes out to 3 plus 5 under root 2. Similarly A7, A plus 6d, that is 3 plus 6 multiplied by under root 2, that is 3 plus 6 under root 2. So the next three terms of AP are 3 plus 4 under root 2, 3 plus 5 under root 2, and 3 plus 6 under root 2. This is the answer of the fifth part of the fourth question of exercise 5.1. Sixth part of fourth question is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. So here A1 0.2, A2 0.22, A3 0.222, A4 0.2222. So A2 minus A1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2, that comes out to be 0.02. Then A3 minus A2, that is 0.222 minus 0.22, that comes out to be 0.002. Then A4 minus A3, that is 0.2222 minus 0.222, that comes out to be 0.0002. So since the common difference not common, so this series is not in AP. So this is the answer of the sixth part of the question. Now the seventh part of the fourth question, that is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. Here first term A1 0, A2 minus 4, A3 minus 8, A4 minus 12. So A2 minus A1, that is minus 4 minus 0, that is comes out to be minus 4. Then A3 minus A2, that is minus 8 minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 comes out to be minus 4. Then A4 minus A3, that is minus 12 minus 8, that comes out to be minus 12 plus 8, that comes out to be minus 4. So the series in AP. Now we will calculate the next whole terms, that is A5, that is A plus 4D. As we know, A is 0, then 4 multiplied by common difference D minus 4, that comes out to be minus 16. Then A6, A plus 4D, that is 0 plus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 4, that is comes out to be minus 20. Then A7, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, that is 0 plus 6 multiplied by minus 4, that comes out to be minus 24. So the next three terms of the series are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. This is the answer of the 7th part of the question. Now the 8th part of the 4th question is, that is minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, and so on. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, all terms are same, minus half. So A2 minus A1 comes out to be minus half plus minus half, minus half, that is minus half plus half, that comes out to be 0. Then A3 minus A2, that is minus half minus half, it comes out to be minus half plus half, it comes out to be 0. Since the common difference comes out to be constant, so the series is in AP. Now we will calculate the next three terms, that is A5, that is A plus 4D. Here first term is minus half plus 4 multiplied by common difference D is 0, so it comes out to be minus half, next term. Then A6, that is A plus 5D. Here A minus half plus 5 multiplied by 0, because common difference we have calculated is 0, so this term also comes out to be minus half. Then similarly A7 will also comes out to be minus half plus 6 multiplied by 0 comes out to be minus half. So the next three terms of AP are minus half, minus half, minus half. So this series has all the terms minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half. So this is the answer of the 8th question of the 4th part. So these are the remaining question of this 4th question, which we will do now. Next question is having terms 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. Here A1 1, A2 is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 9, A4 fourth term is equal to 27. So A2 minus A1, that is comes out to be 3 minus 1, that is 2. A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 3, that is 6. A4 minus A3, that is 27 minus 9, that is 18. So here the common difference is not common, so this series is not in AP form. So this is not in AP form. Now the fourth part is 10th question, that is A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So first term A is equal to A, A2 is equal to 2A, A3 is equal to 3A, A4 is equal to 4A. So A2 minus A1 comes out to be 2A minus A, that is A. A3 minus A2, that is 3A minus 2A comes out to be A. A4 minus A3, that is 4A minus 3A comes out to be A. So this has same count difference, this series in AP. Now we will calculate the next four terms, that is A5 is equal to A plus 4D. So A value is A plus 4 multiplied by common difference is A, it comes out to be 5A. A6, that is A plus 5D, that comes out to be A plus 5 multiplied by A, that is the common difference, that is A plus 5A comes out to be 6A. Then A7, A plus 6D, that comes out to be A plus 6 cross A, that comes out to be 7A. So the next three terms of the series are 5A, 6A and 7A. This is the answer of the 10th part of the question. Now 11th part of the question, that is A square, A cube, A power 4 and so on. Here A is equal to A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A square, A3 is equal to A cube, A4 is equal to A the power 4. So here A2 minus A1, that comes out to be A square minus A, that comes out to be A minus 1. Then A3 minus A2, that comes to A cube minus A square, that comes out to be A square A minus 1. Then A4 minus A3 comes out to A the power 4 minus A cube, that comes out to A cube A minus 1. Here the common difference is not common, so this is not in AP form. Here the common difference comes out to be different, so it is not in AP form. So now the 12th part of the fourth question, that is under root 2, under root 8, under root 18, under root 32 and so on. So here A1 is equal to under root 2, A2 is equal to under root 8, A3 is equal to under root 18, A4 is equal to under root 32. So A2 minus A1, that is under root 8 minus under root 2, that comes out to be 2 under root 2 minus under root 2, because we can write under root 8 as 2 under root 2. So the answer comes out to be